May napansin lang ako. And actually, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing.
Yourself.
Kamusta tayo ngayon, Toronto? Huwag nyo nga yung mga bandilan nyo, patingin!
Habang sinusubaybayan ko si Alex Ayala sa kanyang mga nakaraang tournaments and even kanina sa National Bank Open, napansin ko na halos puno lagi yung mga stadiums. Mas maraming mga Pilipino, mas maraming first-time tennis fans, at mas marami ang nanunood kahit hindi talaga sila lumaki sa sport ng tennis. And I think that's beautiful. Pero kasabay nun, unti-unting nagbabago ang atmosphere ng laro. Mas maingay yung crowd, mas expressive. May sumisigaw after every point, at may nag-cheer kahit ongoing pa yung rally. And that's made me think, sa tennis kasi, tradisyon na yung pagiging quiet habang ongoing yung laro. Hindi siya tulad ng basketball, ng football, or ng volleyball. Doon, halos buong laro, maingay ang audience. So, ang tanong ko, should tennis protect the tradition forever? Or normal lang ba to dahil mas marami ang bagong fans na pumapasok at nagso-support ng larong ito? Because let's be honest, hindi naman kasalanan ng mga fans na ibang laro ang kanilang nakasanayang panoorin. Kung galing ka sa basketball, natural lang na nag-cheer ka. Kung sa volleyball naman, natural lang din na emotional ka. At ngayon, dinadala nila yung energy na yun sa tennis. So, the question is, dapat ba yung mga manlalaro masanay na sa mga maiingay na crowd? Or the crowd should also learn the tradition of the sport that they are watching? Kasi if you're going to ask me, personally, I don't think there is a simple answer. Because on one hand, we want to preserve what makes tennis, tennis. But on the other side, isn't this also a proof that the sport is growing? What's your take on this? Should tennis stay the way it has always been? Or is this simply the future of tennis? Let me know in the comment section.